Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rain-sensing wipers, remote vehicle start, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.